Hello everyone, myself Dr. Harit Sharma. My presentation topic is studies on structural, optical and electrical properties of the zinc sulfide and zinc cadmium sulfide nanoparticles for solar cell application. The outline of my presentation is introduction, objective of work, experimental results and conclusions. Semiconductor of second six group has found various applications in optoelectronic devices such as optical coatings, light emitting materials, solar cells. Band gap of ZNS varies in the range of 3.7 to 5.5 electron volt depending upon the particle size in the nano regime. Tuning of band gap is expected to improve solar cell efficiency. Band structure control is possible through doping with substitutional atom and thus enhance visible light absorption. Among the existing solar cell technology, hybrid bulk heterojunction solar cell represent a new stage in the evolution of photovoltaic devices, and as suggested by the name, it involves the blending of inorganic and organic material to form a solar cell. My objective is to study defect related optical and electrical properties of zinc cadmium sulfide semiconducting nanoparticle prepared by a simple wet chemical precipitation method, and to understand key issues to improve power conversion efficiency of inorganic organic hybrid solar cell for second six group of semiconductor nanoparticles using their ternary zinc cadmium sulfide composition. Zinc cadmium sulfide samples have been synthesized by simple co-precipitation methods, and materials are used in analytical reagent grades. The synthesis method have been shown in this slide. The characterization tool is X-ray diffraction, scanning electron microscopy, atomic force microscopy, UV visual spectroscopy, and electrical measurements, Mozart case study and solar cell study. XRD pattern of zinc blend semiconductor exhibit cubic phase of zinc sulfide. According to JCPDS card number 050566, formation of solid solution is revealed and follows Vegard's law and Hume-Rothery rule. Crystallite size increases as one goes from binary to ternary. The particle size have been obtained 3 nanometer to 10 nanometer. Vegard's law show linear relationship between lattice constant and cadmium content, as well as cadmium concentration increases in zinc sulfide lattice constant have been linearly increases. This will show alloying effect of zinc cadmium sulfide sample, and this result indicates that zinc cadmium sulfide is not a mixture of zinc sulfide and cadmium sulfide, but it is a zinc cadmium sulfide solid solutions. Scanning electron microscopy image of as synthesized ZNS reveal formation of spherical prismatic shaped nanoparticles, and doping of cadmium and nanoparticle merge with each other with increasing particle size for ternary compositions. The atomic force microscopy of two-dimensional view of zinc sulfide and zinc cadmium sulfide nanoparticle, it is noted that most of the particles are well separated with nearly spherical and coalesced globular particles. The three-dimensional view of samples reveals that the particles grow unidirectional and inhomogeneously. UV visual spectroscopy shows decreasing band gap of the zinc cadmium sulfide as well as cadmium concentration increases. The optical band gap, compositional dependent band gap, and quantum confined effect dependent band gap are shown in this table. Mozart case study of zinc cadmium sulfide have been shows that The as prepared sample have been shown in n-type conductivity and increasing band bending with increasing cadmium concentration of zinc cadmium sulfide lattice. The electrical conductivity is best described by BRH model, variable range hopping mechanism, and the equation of Davis model have been obtained to electrical conductance. I have also used in this sample fitting parameter, and the best fit R square value is x is equal 1 by 4. Thus it is concluded that our sample have follow thermally activated mechanism. Due to applicability of as synthesized zinc cadmium sulfide sample, I have designed hybrid solar cell with using polypyrrole p-type polypyrrole semiconductor. The polymerization step and method are shown here in this table. Also prepared polypyrrole semiconductor and n-type inorganic zinc cadmium sulfide sample have been designed hybrid solar cell by using Dr. blade technique. The device performance are shown here in this slide. The efficiency obtained of hybrid solar cell based on zinc cadmium sulfide and HCl doped polypyrrole is 1.25 and fill factor obtained 0.86. The conclusion of my work is XRD measurement revealed formation of zinc blend solid solution 3 to 10 nanometer, passaging is fluoride phase, and Begard's law show formation of solid solution of zinc blend structure. Optical band gap energy for zinc blend sample decreases with doping of cadmium, shows quantum confinement effect supporting X-ray diffraction result. The SEM and AFM nanograph of zinc blend structure shows spherical prismatic morphology with increase in particle size supporting XRD result. Mott-Schottky plot reveal n-type semiconducting behavior with increasing in band bending with binary to ternary composition of zinc blend structure. Zinc cadmium sulfide polypyrrole based hybrid solar cell structure shows improvement in conversion efficiency. Eta is equal 1.25% in comparison to corresponding hybrid cell design around zinc sulfide, which is early reported 0.01%. Thanks.